Hello, and welcome to this presentation I created to help you start and maximize your senior style closet. My name is Madi of Sincerely Madi Photography. I specialize in high school senior photography, and I love to help style my seniors as part of my senior portrait experience. One of the questions I get asked often is where to start when creating a style closet. So I hope this will help you get a good idea on not only where to start a senior style closet, but also one that works best for your business and photography style. In the beginning, the birth of the SMP style closet. So early on in my business, I noticed my first set of clients, although extremely beautiful and sweet, were showing up to their senior portrait sessions in very simple clothing that wasn't complementing their body or style despite going over wardrobe ideas via phone or email. I was a little confused, add surprised, and even a little disappointed to that list too. But guess what? It was my fault. It was my lack of prep that led us here. Even though these were in-person fashion consult days, I knew something needed to change. I didn't want to photograph not one more pair of capri pants or spaghetti strap tank tops, and I definitely did not want to post those images on my website or social media. Why? Because I wasn't interested in continuing that cycle. I knew I could do better for my clients. So something had to change. I was so done photographing unexcited clothing that didn't help my girls stand out or feel confident. Don't get me wrong, I was grateful for my clients. I just wasn't in love with their outfit choices. So I began to introduce them with options at the end of their photo shoot and offer them a couple additional images of them in the clothing I provided. I wanted to photograph fun, flowy dresses with movement, as well as mixed patterns and silhouettes that complemented them. I knew I needed to be the one to provide it. I'm sure you've heard the saying, show what you want to shoot, right? So that's what I did. And by beginning to provide clothing that I loved and was excited about, I began to create the type of clientele that I'd always wanted. Clients who were also loving my style, ones that wanted something different, unique to them, and who wanted to be set apart. I knew I was on the right track when I was not only creatively fulfilled, but when I began to get inquiries stating that they heard I offered styling, a client closet, and my favorite being when my clients would excitedly let me know how they loved that they stood out in the yearbook. I gained awesome clients who love their images and a rapid growing styling closet. That's a lot more exciting. So, you want to start a style closet. It's important to note that this can quickly become an investment, a big one at that, but one that is very much worth it, in my opinion. But be careful, once you go in, it's hard to back out. Word spreads quick, so make sure that this is something you want to maintain. Don't say I didn't warn you, or you can thank me. Whatever. Insert Macklemore poppin' tags. So decide ahead of time whether you want to start offering accessories only, or if you want to add jackets, hats, or whatever staple you think you'll get the most use out of. For the record, you don't have to buy brand new either. Thrifting is a great option. Here are some great places to start. Accessories. Offer jewelry and hats. You'd be surprised how much these two items alone contribute to an outfit. For me, hats, and especially jewelry, are the icing on the cake. They complete the look. Jackets. Find a couple staple pieces that are timeless and also add a little extra something to take the outfit to the next level. For me, a good denim jacket and anything fringe are my go-to starters. Shoes. Shoes are another item that can make or break the outfit. I purchase shoes in sizes from 7.5 to 9.5, sometimes 10. I always say it's better to go slightly bigger since you cannot tell if the shoes aren't the perfect size for your client. This will give you many more options when choosing shoes to pair with outfits. You can also do all of the above. I offer what I like to call a full-service boutique experience. Apart from accessories, jackets, and shoes, I also have multiple racks packed with a variety of clothing in different sizes and styles for my clients to browse through, try on, and borrow for their senior portrait session. And I just wanted to offer you some maybe bougie, not so bougie to budget friendly ideas. These are some of my favorite places to shop, either online or in store. One being Free People, Spell and Gypsy, Alice and Olivia, Urban Outfitters, Free People. Yes, I know it's on there twice. I love it that much. Nasty Gal, Lulu's, Beachy Dolls, Princess Polly, Zara. These are stores that are very popular as well that my girls love and I personally love as well. H&M, Shein, Poshmark, Plato's Closet. There's Crossroads Trading Co. These places mainly have gently used clothing, but you'd be surprised at the gems that you are able to find in these types of places as well as new. So this is what my images started to look like once I offered a style closet. Much better than what I started with. I want to help you and offer you an idea on how you can also maximize, or maybe you're just starting out and you want to just buy maybe some staple pieces. Here's how you can maximize a style closet with minimal items and little effort. So as much as I would love to have an endless supply of money and unique items for every single client, I wanted to show you instead how you can take one staple item and create multiple looks. So let's maximize our little black dress with some styling tips that will create 4 different looks using this dress as a base. Keep in mind, I kept styling throughout this presentation super simple in hopes that this will help you see how you too can use your own creative ideas and create variety of looks with a few classic pieces. So look number 1, sweet and simple. I paired the black dress with dainty gold jewelry and some classic open-toed black heels. You can't go wrong. This is also a great look that the senior can maybe use as, a headshot later on down the road. Look number 2, edgy chic. For the second look, we added a simple band tee worn under the dress, some chunky silver jewelry, and docks to create a more edgy feel. Look number 3, boho. For the third look, we added a black fringe kimono, some chunky gold necklaces, and black booties to create a bohemian-inspired look. Oop, I skipped along a little too fast. We then took it a step further and added a black hat to complete the look and create variety. So I love how in these pictures, they just look really different to me. Same outfit, we just added a black hat, completely different vibe, super cute. Look number 4, we went Western. For the fourth and final look with a little black dress, we added a suede fringe jacket, some fun oversized fringe earrings, a concho choker. The hat is from Gigi Pip, and we added some awesome vintage cowboy boots for this Western-inspired look. We didn't hold back when styling this one. So yes, you see that's 4 different looks using a little black dress as a base. And this was so much fun. I'm sure we could have done so much more. But instead of showing you more looks, I'd love to give you some more tips on client style closets. Incorporate multi-use pieces. I personally love any kind of 2-piece sets for their versatility factor. You can easily mix and match them up with other items from your style closet to create multiple outfits. Hats and jewelry definitely fall into this category. Increase your intentionality. Shopping intentionally will help you save money and space. A general rule I have for myself is that if I see an item and I can immediately create an outfit with it and envision the photo shoot paired with it, I will buy it, but only if I'm genuinely excited about it. And then you'll want to monitor your inventory. Check your stash periodically. Are there items collecting dust in your closet, items that don't get picked? Sell or donate them. Then you'll have created room to add new items. Poshmark is a great place for both selling and purchasing gently used items. It's also important to carry some extra items if you're going to provide a full wardrobe. Even if you're not, safety pins are a good idea always. Clips also. Safety pins and clips are a great thing to carry so that you can pin clothing if it's too loose. And then fashion tape is also something that's something that I feel like you should carry so that you can always, close tops that might be too big, or just making sure that, things are staying in place. So I really hope this helped you learn a little bit more about the startup of style closets and their benefits, as well as tips on maximizing your closet so that you may get the best out of what goes into it. So, who wants to go shopping? Let's connect. You can find me at all of these places. Again, I really hope that you enjoyed this presentation. I hope that it gave you some good ideas on how you can start your own closet. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'd be excited to hear from you. Happy shopping.